About to bust my gun. So I got this chicken, bro. I'm about to open this slimy shit up and I gotta watch that shit, bro. Now I'm over here prepping, throw that shit in some yogurt, some cumin, some coriander, black pepper, paprika. I can't remember. I don't even know what the fuck that's. Goddamn, why is this fucking video going so fast? Cover that hoe up, let it sit for like 15 minutes. I got some onions. Damn, some tomatoes on a vine because they're fucking delicious. Cut these hoes up, dice them up. If you don't know how to cut onions, bro, just get the fuck out of here. Got some peppers. I just like peppers, bro. They hit. Why do they hit like this? Man, cut these hoes up, bro. Dice these bitches up, throw them to the side. Nah, we ain't using that bottle garlic, bro. We're about to get some fresh garlic out this bitch. Alright, bro. Why do you have to be so difficult to fucking open, bro? Cut this hoe up. Throw that shit to the side. Cut these hoes up too, man. I don't even fuck with tomatoes like that, but once you... Okay, well, throw some salt and some more curry. Alright, throw some extra virgin olive oil up in that bitch. Wait till it heats up. Okay, it's hot. Okay, burn my fucking finger. But throw that chicken in there and let that whole sizzle up, bro. You just look at this. Look at the smoke. Look at it. Look at the juices just bubbling. Like, why you bubble like that? I gotta throw that top on, bro. Ooh, I gotta flip those hoes first. Throw that top on, let it bubble up, get it moist and juicy. Look at. Did you see the sweat? Oh my god! Wow. Look at it. Straight sizzling. Take that shit out. Throw the onions, garlic, some peppers up in it. I like to do the onions and garlic first, and then throw the peppers in last. Oh yeah, you gotta wash your rice, bro. Y'all motherfuckers gotta wash your fucking rice. Season that a little bit more. Throw my peppers in that hole. Throw a little bit of salt. Put some water, bro. So the secret is, bro, do like some water and some chicken broth in that bitch. Throw some thyme on that bitch and let that shit bubble up, bro. Look at it. Oh my god. Look at it. Now you throw the chicken in and just let it continue to cook, dude. Oh my god. Look at it, bro. Throw the extra juices in there. Voila, motherfucker. Bon appetit. That shit just turned me French for a second, bro. Look at it, bro. Wait till I turn that light on and the light, you can just see the light hit it. Hold on, let me do one more loop around. Look at it. You see that little hole right there? That's when I was testing it. I had to, nigga had to test that shit. Wait till that light come on. Wait, where's it at? Where? Oof. Look at the... Look at the... Oh my god. Look at it. Look how juicy it looks, bro. The little char on the... Oh my... What? Yeah, that's a busted gut, bro.